Hi guys, it's me, Elle Walker, and I just wanted to show you guys Kaylin's spring outfit, and she's really ready for spring. She has on her little pink hair bow and a pink passy to match. She has on a little pink jacket with the little bows on it, and she has on some pink pants, and they've got the little bows, and she's wearing her little pink and white socks and her little pink and white shoes to match that, and she's holding her little furry bunny. She's been holding it all day. I can't get it away from her, and she was playing with her little teether that she got from Auntie Crystal. She was biting on her binky, so I took the binky and she's been chewing on the teether, so she's been doing that. She still has on her same little pink bow earrings because I think they look so cute on her. So that's her little theme for today, little pink bows and pink bunnies. So that's her little theme. So there she is, Miss Kaylin, and it's all decked out for spring. Okay, that's all I wanted to say. Thank you guys for watching. Stay blessed. Bye.